Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stellar XLM, the transformation. It's going to be an interesting video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well if you're interested. Anyways, guys, let us begin with the chart of XLM at the time of the recording. So Stellar is up 0.23% for the day. The price is $0.112. It went up from 0.1108 to 0.1120. Not much to talk about in the daily. Let us look at the 7-day chart. So it is up 0.79%, but if you look at the bottom end of stuff, it has basically risen from 10 cents, 10.74 to all the way to 0.112. Cool. Let us look at the monthly chart. Okay, so nothing much. Yeah, this is where we can look at certain levels. So guys, this is a crucial support over here. We've talked about it before as well. Check this out, 0.1068, 0.1121. So crucial support levels. And the price has bounced off from these levels, did a false breakout over here to the bottom end, and then went up, came down. Since that time, it has come back down and tested this support area again, and it is rebounding. Let us see where this goes. So yeah, the market cap is $3.1 billion at the moment. Circulating supply of 56.79%. Fully diluted market cap $5.6 billion, guys. And if you look at the all-time chart, guys, in the next bull run, many are basically extremely bullish on XLM that it will go on and test its all-time highs in the next bull run and beyond. So if you look at in the grander scheme of things, we're at the bottom end of where the price is going to be in the future, in the years to come. Anyways, guys, as far as the development goes and how that can be possible, it can be done by the transformation that Stellar is having. So check this out, a really interesting post from February 9th, 2024. This is recent. 10 years ago, the Stellar network began as a decentralized payment network with the infrastructure, features, and tools needed to enable fast, affordable, and efficient payments. So it became a payments hub where it wanted to transform the traditional banking system, which is slow, guys, extremely slow, snail paced. So it basically needed to facilitate and integrate with the already established infrastructure to make it much more efficient and optimize it. So now, on the brink of a decade of success, the Stellar Development Foundation's mission of greater access to the financial system is evolving. So, what they wanted to do, they achieved it. They have laid the foundations, the infrastructure, and they've basically competed and developed. They've been developing since the last 10 years, decade or so. So, by integrating, now what are they doing? They're integrating smart contracts, basically, guys. So, by integrating smart contracts, we're revolutionizing our tech stack and paving the way for DeFi on a whole new level. So, whatever XLM does, guys, it does it professionally, and the levels are unmatched by very few projects in the space match the level of commitment and professionalism of Stellar, guys. So, whatever they touch, they'll try to do it in the best of their capabilities with open participation, a focus on everyday finance, and a trustworthy tech stack. Stellar's setting the course for an inclusive, sustainable future. This year, Stellar is all about implementation, creativity, and growth, building a better future, guys. So let me show you the strategy report. This was a really good read. Let me share this with you guys as well. So check this out, guys. This is Stellar Development Foundation's roadmap, the transformation, new tech, new capabilities, new opportunities. A really interesting read, guys. Let us skim through this. 10 years ago, the Stellar network began as a decentralized payment network with the infrastructure features. So, yeah, we already went through this. Now, on the cusp of a decade of success, we are taking the next step in pursuit of the Stellar Development Foundation's mission of greater access to the financial system. Built on the foundation of an incredible payments network. Guys, the payments network is renowned. It is basically rubbing shoulders with UNHCR, like UN, the basically the ultimate body, the ultimate organization of the globe. That is, I mean, saying it isn't huge is an understatement. That is low cost, fast, and built to scale and the global reach to a growing share of the world's undeserved population. You guys know that a lot of people, I mean 1.7 billion to be precise, do not have access to banking. So what Stellar is doing, the Stellar Development Foundation is doing, it basically was paving the way to give financial inclusion to those who do not have access to banks, who do not have bank accounts, and to facilitate them in transferring funds easily, efficiently, and in a fast manner. So this was their basic approach, and they were laying the foundation. Now, what they're doing is they're expanding, guys. They're transforming. We are expanding the network's offerings and value proposition for builders by integrating smart contract capabilities. So this is great, guys. This move will fundamentally transform the Stellus tech stack, the network's offerings, and in turn, its future. So this is needed in my opinion. You guys can see that a lot of projects have smart contract capabilities, and Stellar now is trying to. It has basically built that infrastructure. Now it wants to compete with, or not compete. I mean, it wants to do everything that the other projects are doing and much better. That would be the ultimate target, in my opinion. This move will fundamentally transform the Stellar tech stack, the network's offerings, and in turn its future. Okay, so combining the power of decentralized finance with Stellar's real-world utility will create something wholly differentiated in the world of blockchain. So this is where this is the I read all of this and wanted to make the perfect the picture clear for you guys for this final statement. What this will do is, guys, the Stellar has a real world use case. It is basically it would be used as a means of payments for transferring funds, trillions of dollars, guys. It is disrupting. And now combining that with DeFi and their smart contract capabilities, I mean, this is a recipe for success because this is unique. Very few projects are doing it. The best that comes to my mind, there are a lot of them we discuss on this channel. You guys can check them out. But being the X coin, so we can talk about XDC network. It is trying to transform the global trade finance, and in the same time, at the same time, guys, it has layer one projects built on top of it, like GBEX, XSwap, PLI, Comtech Gold. We have discussed those time and again. So this is cool. Our journey moving forward is about making people's everyday financial lives undeniably better so that they feel a difference as they build towards their futures. This is one of the projects, guys, that is not only changing the crypto landscape, but finance in general and the lives of people in general. So this is truly a transformative project, and this new transformation basically is yet again the step forward towards glory. It is about bringing together every strength available, the tech, the ecosystem, the passion, and the expertise in order to show up for the real world in more accessible and tangible ways. This is what blockchain is all about. The projects should aim, all the projects should aim to transform the lives of people, guys, make it better, make a world a better, a more efficient, optimized place to live. Stellar is also involved with various charities, UNHCR, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, refugee transactions, and all of that stuff. So they're doing some really wonderful stuff, guys. Stellar Development Foundation's vision for everyday financial services. You guys can check this out yourselves. A long read. North Stars to guide our work of open participation, innovation, and governance. SDF prioritizes the focus on everyday financial services in pursuit of our mission. A trustworthy technology stack advances adoption for everyday financial services. So, what they aim to do is open participation, innovation, and governance. SDF prioritizes focus on everyday financial services in pursuit of our mission. A trustworthy technology stack, every stack advances adoption for everyday financial services. What this does is prioritize safety for the Soroban ecosystem, implement a network monitoring strategy, develop a roadmap for long-term scalability and sustainability. This is needed for any projects to survive long run, scalability, sustainability, develop a prototype privacy solution. Privacy, obviously, being decentralized and blockchain, basically now is going towards that privacy side of stuff as well. So this is also cool. So this is great, guys. In my opinion, a lot of stuff happening in the stellar side of things. So, what do you guys think about this transformation? Do you guys think that it is a much needed step for Stellar to go to that next level? And what do you guys think for the price of Stellar XLM for the next bull run? Where would it be? I mean, would it remain at these levels? There are a lot of skeptics as well who say that Stellar has had its run. But in my opinion, $3.1 billion market cap, guys, for what it is doing is still underrated, guys. It is disrupting trillions. So this still has a lot of. It still can move a lot, guys. Tens, 100s of billions of market cap, and even trillions, as a lot of people suggest. So, what do you guys think? Can it reach 100 billion, a trillion, or more? Or would it remain in these levels and it has had its run, its time? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know, guys. This was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And guys, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon as well, so do check that out if you're interested. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.